Today I give all of myself to you in marriage. I promise to encourage you and inspire you, to laugh with you and to comfort you in times of sorrow and struggle. I promise to love you in the good times and in the bad, when life seems easy and when it seems hard. When our love is simple and when it is an effort, but I also promise to always leave the dishwasher for you to unpack when you get home. Taylor, you are my best friend, my always and forever.
The first time I saw you, I was overwhelmed with the feeling that you were someone special and someone that was meant to be in my life. The best part about getting to know you was being able to do it twice. At 14, I met a boy that made me laugh, always made me feel safe, and became my best friend. At 22, I met a man with a strong work ethic and a drive to achieve certain goals in life that aligned with my own goals in life. You and I both know I can be incredibly indecisive. Making a decision feels like I'm studying for a PhD. After careful consideration over the last 13 years, I'm absolutely certain, without question, the right decision is to spend the rest of my life with you. I promise to be unapologetically me while continuing to work on myself to be the wife you deserve. I promise to be less stubborn, compromise more, communicate honestly with you and never go to bed angry. I promise to always wake up at a ridiculous time of the morning to make sure you can get a parking spot at the boat ramp or the best seat on the hill for the Bathurst 1000. And most importantly, I promise to love you until we're old and grey, continue to be your best friend and laugh with you every day.